Hi students, second exercise, 3 problems completed. Now fourth one, D question. Rhombus NICE with NI equal to 4 centimeters, IE equal to 5.6 centimeters. So rhombus, see here, rhombus all sides are equal, means NI equal to IC equal to CE equal to NE equal to 4 centimeters and IE. So means one of the diagonal they given 5.6. See here, first NI 4 centimeters. Draw a line segment 4 centimeters. Here NI 4 centimeters. And next NE. So NICE. NICE. NE 4 centimeters. Take with the scale measurement 4 centimeters. So with the 4 centimeters, exactly 4 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters. So in that 4 centimeters, draw an arc. This is 4 centimeters NE. Next 5.6 centimeters IE. 5.6. See here 5.6 centimeters. Draw another arc, exactly 5.6 centimeters. Take with I as center, IE 5.6 centimeters. Now join NE and IE. This intersect point E. Next to join this also. Here 4 centimeters. This 5.6 centimeters. This is E. Again IC 4 centimeters. Take with the scale measurement 4 centimeters. Draw an arc. Again EC also 4 centimeters. Why? Because rhombus all sides are equal. So this is 4 centimeters. EC 4 centimeters. This intersect point C. And join IC and EC. Join IC and EC. This is rhombus. Here write measures 4 centimeters. Here also 4 centimeters. Steps of constructions. Steps of constructions. First draw a line segment NI equal to 4 centimeters. Next with N as center 4 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next point, with I as center 5.6 centimeters as radius, draw an another arc. Next point, they meet at E. Next join NE and IE. Next with I as center 4 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next point, with E as center 4 centimeters as radius, draw an another arc. They meet at C. Next join IC and EC. Next, this is the required rhombus NICE. Next exercise 3. Construct a quadrilateral with the measurements given below. First one, quadrilateral GOLD. OL equal to 7.5 centimeters, GL 6 centimeters, LD 5 centimeters, DG 5.5 centimeters and OD 10 centimeters. See this construction. First one, quadrilateral. First OL 7.5 centimeters. Draw line segment OL 7 point, here OL 7.5 centimeters. 7.5 centimeters. OL 7.5 centimeters. Next OLDG, GOLD. So LD 5 centimeters. LD, take 5 centimeters with the scale measurement 5 centimeters. This is exactly 5 centimeters. With the L as center, draw an arc 5 centimeters. Next, with the O as center, take 10 centimeters. OD 10 centimeters. Take with the scale measurement 10 centimeters. This exactly 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. With O as center, draw 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. Next, here not intersecting, again take 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Still more, draw arc, intersect point. This is D. So this is D. Now join LD next OD. This is D, D, G. GD 5.5 centimeters. Take with the scale measurement 5.5 centimeters. 5.5 with the D as center, draw arc 5.5 centimeters. Next LG 6 centimeters. Take with the scale measurement 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeter from L to LG. So this is not intersecting. Again with D to 5.5. Exactly 5.5. Draw here. Now joining these two. Here too. LG, that intersect point G. Now join DG also. DG and OG. Right here measurement, this total OD 10 centimeters. Next here, this point G, GOLD, here 6 centimeters. Next here 5 centimeters. Here taken 5.5 centimeters. This is quadrilateral. Steps to see. Steps of constructions. First, draw a line segment OL equal to 7.5 centimeters. With L as center, 6 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next point, with L as center, 5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next, with O as center, 10 centimeters as radius, draw another arc. They intersect at D. Join now OD and LD. Join OD and LD. Next point, with L as center, 6 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next, with D as center, 5.5 centimeters, draw another arc. Next, they intersect at D before. They meet at G. Next, join OG and DG. Join OG and DG. So therefore this is the required quadrilateral GOLD. So this is the required quadrilateral GOLD. Capital D take GOLD.